In this video, we'll be looking for VLOOKUP formula. Let's see what is that. This is the data which I've given on the table. That's a vertical table. So if I apply a formula on this table, that becomes a VLOOKUP, vertical for V. So V stands for vertical here. Now what is that VLOOKUP formula exactly mean is, suppose I have this table that is top products, product code, quantity and price. If you see, the products are given here: mobile, camera, watches, cosmetics and so on. Now suppose I want a price of, let's say, one item, that is laptop. So if you see, here's a price. I have to go in this laptop and I have to find the price, that is 20.95. So I've written 20.95. Now imagine if I change the product name. If I find as I want, let's say, watches, so I'll go and type here watches. Yeah. So once I find watches, I'll go to the watches record and I'll go until that I find out the price, that is 31.95. I'll type here 31.95. So now it is easy because I have a very small table. Imagine the data is huge, and if you want to find out the product or the price, any option if you want, so that time it is difficult. We have to use a function known as VLOOKUP, right? So I'll type here a function for VLOOKUP. I'll delete this and I'll type here. What does VLOOKUP says is, VLOOKUP says that is my lookup value. This value I want to see in this table. So in this table, what it will do is, it will find out the product and which column value you want. Do you want this column value or this value or this value? So that column number we have to give it. Okay, so let's see how we can go. So I'll type here a function as equal to VLOOKUP. You see here it's saying as lookup value. Like we humans find a value, first we look up at this, then we go into this column. Same way it says lookup value, comma. Second, it says table array. I have multiple tables in this sheet, but I am interested in this sheet itself. So I'll select this table, right? So in this table, it will find out this watches, comma. Next, it says which column index you want. So I want this price column. So with respect to this red color line, which is the column number I want? This is the first, second, third and fourth. So I'll type here a value as 4, comma. And next it says as true, that is approximate match, or false, that is exact match. Right now I'm looking for exact match, so I'll put here a number as 0. 0 stands for exact match, and I'll close the bracket. Now what does 0 means is, we'll understand when we go for the approximate match, but for time being use as 0. So that is the function for VLOOKUP. Now if I press enter, you see the answer, that is 31.95. If I change the product, instead of watches, if I put here, let's say camera, and I press enter, you see the answer, let's see, camera, that is 28.95, which is absolutely correct. One more example, I'll type here clothes, enter, and if you see, that is $8.95, the answer, which is absolutely correct. So I hope you have understood how to get the values using this VLOOKUP function. So I have something here, that is the top product, that is the price I have written here. So I'll type here a function, same VLOOKUP, that is my lookup value, comma. I'll select this area as my table array, that is the second parameter if you see. Third parameter is the column index number. So I'll put here a comma as 4, comma 0. Now you might imagine, what is this V table? V table is the name range given to this table, and I'll press enter, close the bracket, press enter. So I've got the answer as 20.95. So let's see, laptop 20.95, the answer is absolutely correct. Now if I buy something, let's say 4 quantities of laptop, and if I want a total of this, so what I can do is, I can just type a simple calculation equal to this cell multiplied by units number, and I'll press enter. So if I buy 4 units, so I'll get this. What if I buy, let's say shoes? So if I buy shoes as 4 units, and if I press enter, so it will automatically give me the calculation. So if you buy something from the website, let's say from Amazon or any website, Flipkart, so you type the product, you type the quantity, and it gives you the answer. So this is possible using VLOOKUP function. Let's see one more. Now every time I have to go and type the number, let's say shoes, laptops and everything. So what if I create a drop down list in this cell? How do I find it? Then it will be easy to understand. So what I'll do is, I'll create a drop down list in this cell. How do we create it? It's in the data tab. I have this data validation. I'll select here list. In this list, what I want is, I want the numbers which are printed here in this place, the data. And I'll click on OK. So what has happened is, if I click on this drop down, you see those are the items which I've got. So now my works become very easy. So I'll select here the option as laptop and I'll type here a function. So I'll type here a function as equal to VLOOKUP, same function, that is my lookup value, comma, that's my table array, comma 4, comma 0, and I'll close the bracket. VTable is the name of the table. I'll press enter. So now this we are looking as VLOOKUP with data validation. What is the benefit? I do not have to type the number. So or the data I do not have to type. I'll select the option as products, perfumes. I'll select the option as watches and mobile, anything, let's say clothes. Same way I can just copy paste the formula, Control C, and I'll press Control V. So I'll keep on getting the answers, cosmetics and shoes or laptop. So this way you can work VLOOKUP with data validation and you can keep on getting the answers. Whereas same VLOOKUP with name range, we have seen VLOOKUP with name range is the same. I'll type here equal to VLOOKUP, that is my lookup value, comma. Now I'll type the name of the table, that is VTable, comma 4, comma 0. So instead of typing the area of the table, that is A1 to C20 or A1 to D20, I'll type the name of the table, that is VTable, and I'll press. So this is what we call VLOOKUP with name range, and that's all for this. So we have seen VLOOKUP with data table, data validation and name range. So I've got the same answer. So I hope you have understood how to work with vertical table, that is using VLOOKUP and exact match. So I hope you have understood. That's all for this video.